Okay, so now let's talk about a simple LED device. Let's add that into the mix, right? So if I have a color changing LED, that LED has three different colors in it: red, green, and blue, the primary colors of light, and that's what's used to go ahead and create whatever color we might want, right? Each one of those colors within this device is going to need a DMX address, right? So in this case, we have a starting address of 1, right? So we set our device, our little DMX LED to 1, and that will then make address 1 red, address 2 green, and address 3 blue for this color changing LED. Again, it's just the starting address, and all of the following addresses are presumed. If we start adding fixtures to this, this is known as a DMX universe or a DMX path. And in this example, we have our first LED again set to address 1, where 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is blue. Our next available address is going to be address 4. And in address 4, red is going to be 4, green would be 5, blue would be 6. As we step that up, we have now skipped. Let's do a hotel patch. Our next fixture is 21. So 21 is red, 22 is green, 23 is blue. When we skip up to 81, 81 red, 82 green, 83 blue. And this is just daisy chaining these fixtures together, giving them their starting address so that we can control them independently. And again, note that we don't need to use all of the addresses that are available to us in our DMX path. So next, let's sort of incorporate the two. So now I have dimmer address 1 for our first dimmer pack, or a DMX address 1 starting address. Then we have our starting address of 101. Our next dimmer pack has a starting address of 21. And our next device in our daisy chain is going to be an LED. And this LED then is going to have a starting address of 31. That's going to correspond to address 31 red, 32 green, and 33 as blue. And so this is our DMX path, or our DMX universe, linking 3 dimmers and now an LED together. And we'll come back and we'll start expanding on this topic in the next video.